Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Thin and Bald Hair. Magical growth of your hair fast with only 2 ingredients. Hair loss is a normal process if it is in the normal range of hair loss. But if it turns out in excessive hair falling, then it becomes a stressful issue and very disturbing for the people who experience it. Thin and bald hair is a big issue, especially for women. Thick and shiny hair is considered as a hallmark of beautiful women. After a certain age, your hair starts falling out. Many of times due to pollution in the environment and lack of nourishment, a lot of women suffer from thin and bald hair. If you are one of them and looking for a solution to regrow your lost hair, then here is a most effective remedy for you. Things you will need: castor oil 2 tablespoons, egg yolk 1, honey 1 tablespoon. What you have to do: mix all the ingredients in a medium-sized bowl, apply the paste on roots of your hair and apply some paste on your hair as well. Leave the paste on your hair undisturbed for 2 to 4 hours and cover your hair with a shower cap. Later, wash your hair and scalp with mild shampoo. Use this hair mask 1 to 2 times a week for 2 months to regrow the lost hair and get rid of thin hair. Soon you will observe noticeable hair growth and get relief from thin hair. This remedy is a simple and effective solution on bald hair issues. Do give it a try and share your experience in the comments section below. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.